Hey, I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Today we're giving you a closer look at the Tusk U-Joint Press Tool. This is designed specifically for ATVs and UTVs to get your U-joints replaced. Now, if your machine has a clunking sound or maybe even some squeaking sounds coming from the back end, you might want to take a look at your U-joints and check for any play in there and make sure those are okay. If they're not, you definitely want to get them replaced before they break or cause any other damage. So to do that, this tool is the perfect tool for the job, and it makes it easy to replace these without damaging your new parts or your drive shaft. To use this, it's easy to do. All you have to do is take the two studs. You're going to go through the press plate and down into the base plate and thread those in. After that, you're going to take that center bolt and you're going to use the correct size drive tip for your U-joint. You've got a 16 millimeter and 20 millimeter drive tip. After that, you want to select the correct size adapter to support the yoke. You've got a 16 millimeter, 22 millimeter, and 27 millimeter adapter, and this is going to allow the bearing cap to be pressed through that yoke. Once you have everything set up, you can go ahead and set the U-joint in place, make sure the clips are out of the way, and then you're going to tighten down the center bolt and press each bearing cap out one at a time. Once you have the old U-joint all the way out, you can go ahead and clean everything up, and you can use this tool to install the new U-joint as well. And instead of pressing one cap out at a time, you're going to be pressing in one cap at a time. Once you have all of those in place, you want to reinstall the clips and you're good to go. Now, if you want more detailed instructions on how to use this tool, you can check out our Razor prop shaft replacement and Razor prop shaft rebuild videos. That's going to show you the process from removing the drive shaft from the vehicle, getting the U-joints replaced, and reinstalling it back onto the machine. So go ahead and check those out, subscribe to our channel, and if you need one of these tools, you can pick one up on our website. We offer free shipping on orders over $75. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.